Sync organizer answers with custom fields. Syncing organizer responses with custom fields for accounts or contacts helps reduce manual data entry, making client onboarding smoother and keeping client information updated. When your clients fill in organizers, you can sync their answers with account or contact custom fields, such as estimated tax payment, company size, EIN, etc. Before you start, you need to ensure that you have added custom fields you want to use first. Also, ensure that the questions in your organizer template match the types of the custom fields you wish to sync with, such as text, number, or URL. Please notice, syncing organizer answers is only available for free entry, email, date, and numbers. If you want your team members to be able to sync answers with custom fields, enable Manage Organizers access for them. It could be helpful to let them edit organizer answers as well. To let them set up sync with CRM in the organizer templates, turn on Manage Templates for them too. Now we need to firstly set up the sync with CRM in organizer templates. To do that, go to the Templates section and open the Organizers page. Then click the gear icon under the question you want to sync with a custom field. Toggle on Sync to CRM. From the drop-down menu, select an account or contact field you want to sync with. Then click Save and save the organizer template. You can now send it to the client. Organizers sent after you save the updated template will allow you to sync answers with custom fields. Now go to the Custom Fields page. You can see which custom fields can be updated via organizers. Click Sync to CRM next to the custom field name and see all the organizer templates where questions are connected to this field. After your client submits an organizer, or you do it on their behalf, you can sync organizer answers to custom fields. To do that, open the organizer from the organizer page and click Sync to CRM at the top right. For questions already associated with custom fields, review how answers will match with custom fields. If you want to make adjustments, skip some answers by selecting Ignore in the Sync column and change the associated custom field in the Field column. Select more questions to sync with custom fields by choosing Sync in the Sync column for them and selecting a custom field in the Field column. For questions associated with contact custom fields, select a contact to update. If it's going to be the same contact for all contact custom fields, click Use for all fields. If some answers are blank, toggle on Sync empty fields to synchronize those fields. This will erase any existing data they might contain. Once you have filled in all information you need, click Sync. Now, you can go to the client profile and ensure all the fields have been updated with values from the organizer.